Family, what's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy CJ Rebel, man, aka Matt the Rebel Guys, back with another video. So, squad, listen, man, different type of video we're doing this time, okay? Not gonna be a long, drawn out video. What we're gonna talk about is, I'm gonna take a couple minutes, guys, so we can get this thing down. As you guys already know, the SNKRS app gives everybody trouble, so I'm gonna give you guys a few tips on how to quickly get through the checkout process and make sure that you give yourself the best chance to cop on the SNKRS app, guys. So if you're seeing this video, the next shoe that's going to be dropping when this video drops is going to be the Georgetown Air Jordan Retro 3, also known as the Air Jordan Retro 3 Midnight Navy, okay? First thing you want to do, guys, make sure your address is up to date. Secondly, what we want to do is also make sure that you use the payment method that you are most familiar with and that you are most comfortable with, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean you have to use your debit card or Apple Pay or PayPal, but use one that is the most comfortable. For me, that would be Apple Pay. I am really quick and my phone is really good with me going boom, submit payment, scanning my face, and it's out of there, okay? I haven't had any hiccups with that as of late. If you want to use PayPal, you can do that too. If you want to use your credit or debit card, guys, make sure you remember your 3-digit verification code on the back just in case Nike asks for that, okay? Secondly, thirdly, what you want, whatever number we're at. Next, what you want to do, guys, is make sure that your address, your billing address, and your shipping address on your payment method, make sure it matches your information on the SNKRS app, guys. That is so critical. When Nike runs your information on Apple Pay, they're going to match your billing address with the billing address on your profile, the shipping address with the shipping address on your profile, making sure all of that matches your bank and your profile, guys. So, Rebels, with that being said, man, just want to leave you guys these 3 tips real quick, or however many tips it really was, to make sure that you're in the best position to cop on the SNKRS app. Rebel Squad, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and we out. Peace.